In this video, we are going to go over the different methods that are used to solve the quadratic equation. In the previous video, we discussed about the basics of quadratic equation and the derivation part of quadratic equation with the help of completing the square. This video will walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can easily be able to solve the problems related to quadratic equation. I am Nirkaman from Indigia Innovations Private Limited. Let's get started. In the previous video, we had a little bit discussion over the methods used to solve the quadratic equations, namely factoring method, graphical method, completing the square method, and the last but not the least, formula method. We are now going to take discussion for each of the methods. Let's get started with the factoring method. We'll try to understand this method with the help of a question. This is an Ricci method. We know that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. In factoring method, we could simply factorize the quadratic equation as a product of its linear factors, which would be x minus a times x minus b, where a and b are the roots of the quadratic equations. In some books or in any other study materials, you could find that their linear product written as x minus h times x minus k. X minus h times x minus k and x minus a times x minus b, basically they are both the same thing. In more simplified way, it is splitting up the middle term. Consider a quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. That could be written as x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0. And in the further steps, it could be simplified as x times x plus 3 plus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we will get x plus 1 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. There is a multiplication needed to be done between coefficient of x square and the constant term c in this case. If we take second example, 3x square plus 11x plus 6 is equal to 0, that could be further simplified as a times b is equal to 3x square times 6, which is equal to 18x square. A plus b must be equal to 11x. So 11x could be written as 9x plus 2x is equal to 11x. So in the further steps, we could write down 3x square plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. 3x times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So it could be written as 3x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So here we'll get two root factors, x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to negative 2 over 3. If we take another example, in this case x square minus 9 is equal to 0, then it could be written as in the form of x minus 3 times x plus 3 is equal to 0. So out of it we'll get two root values, x is equal to 3 and minus 3, and x plus, so the overall process and the steps could be written as x plus a times x plus b, x square plus ax plus bx ab. So x square plus a plus b is times x plus ab. In factorization method, if we multiply each term one by one, our expression could be written as x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Taking x as common term from the middle splitting term, the expression could be written as x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. That's what we do in factorization method. Simply speaking, is splitting the middle term in such a way so that their addition or subtraction must be equal to the middle term that was previously, and their multiplication must be equal to the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant term c. In the upcoming videos, we'll discuss about the graphical method, completing the square method, that I think we have already taken a little bit glimpse during the quadratic formula derivation, and finally the formula method. Thank you.